you're going to see a maintenance light right above here, and what we're going to do is we're going to click through these screens, and you're going to go through and click on this right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to reset that. By driving through those screens, we're going to click reset, and we're going to go down and click on all due items, and the A1 right there is going to be an oil change, and once you're complete with that, the portion of there will be reset. So this is precisely right around 6,000. It had about 15% left, and we can go through each of the mileage right here to kind of show you. So it'll pop back on about 6,000 and probably have you rotate the tires.